I'm sitting here waiting for my next Lyft passenger. He's on his way to the car right now.
Are you my Lyft driver?
Yes, I'm your driver, Wayne.
Hey, that's my name too.
Hey, it's a good name. I see you want to go. Hey, wait, that's the address of my home. Is that where you want to go?
Of course it is. That's because it's my address.
Not again. Don't tell me that you're one of those computer-generated clones.
No, I'm not a clone. I'm you from the future.
You mean you're me from the future?
Yeah, I'm 10 minutes in the future. I'm you 10 minutes from now. My watch is 10 minutes ahead of yours.
You're me 10 minutes from now. How did you get here? Do you have a time machine?
No time machine. I just waited 10
But
minutes
if
to
you're
get
here,
that's
then
all. There's no
how
time
come
machine.
I'm here too?
Pretty confusing, huh? I know I have a hard time wrapping my head around it. Hey, take off your hat for a second. Thanks.
Hey, that's my hat.
Just wait 10 minutes and you can get it back.
Well, what do I do now
Otherwise,
without
you
my
just
hat?
sit there. It'll come back to
So
you.
then there'll be two hats?
No, there's only one hat. That's why you have to wait 10 minutes before you can get it back.
Will you just take me home?
All right, let's go.